Hi guys, I'm Bree and today I'm going to show you how to make a lead in Minecraft. Leads are very useful for certain mobs and animals and whatever you want to attach a lead to, and I will show you how to make one. You are going to have to get some string by killing spiders and get some slime balls from killing slimes. You can find slime when mining caves and killing a big slime. So I will spawn in a slime just in case you've never seen a slime before, and so what you're gonna do is just kill it, and that's how you get some slime balls. And it'll break apart into two different things. It'll just keep breaking down until it gets really small, and then you can get some slime balls that way. I'll spawn in a spider just so you can see. Alright, they didn't drop any string, but let's say they did. You're going to need 4 string and 1 slime ball. And you're also going to need a crafting table. So put down the crafting table. You're going to take your crafting table. You're just going to type in lead. And as you can see, it's just 3 strings here in the left corner, slime ball in the middle, lower right box is a string, and you will make 2 leads from that. And then you can walk over to a mob. Boom, and now wherever you go, the pig will follow you. You can also attach them to fences to ensure that they will not run away. And there we go. And now it will stay there and it won't run off. Leads do break, so be careful. They shouldn't break if they're on a fence, but if you go like this and travel too far, you see, it will break apart and you will have to reattach the lead. So make sure you're not doing anything crazy and check behind you every once in a while to make sure that it's still there and it hasn't broken, because it sure is a bummer when that happens. That is how you make a lead in Minecraft. I hope that this video is helpful and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye guys!